Good morning, pupils. Welcome to our home science lesson, grade 4 by teacher Odis. Now, fuel used at home. We want to look at fuel used at home. And we shall start by looking at what fuel is. Fuel is any material that is used to produce heat and light. Now, any material that we use to produce heat and light is known as fuel. We had learned that heat is used in various activities at home, like cooking, warming our houses, etc. Then we also have light, which we also learned that help us in seeing in our houses. We shall look at that down there. Now, we have pictures in our screens there. The first picture there is known as a charcoal. Charcoal is a source of heat and light, so it is a fuel. Then we have B, which is known as firewood. Firewood also is a source of heat and light. Then we have a gas. Then lastly, we have paraffin. So those ones are examples of sources of fuel that we use. Now, examples of the fuels we use at home, which we've seen in the pictures there, we have charcoal, we have firewood, we have paraffin, we have gas, we have electricity. So those ones are examples of the fuels we use at home. We have seen some of them in the pictures before. We have now uses of fuel at home. What do we do with these various fuels at home? One, in picture 1, we can see a pot there, and we have firewood. So we use fuel for cooking at home. Firewood will give us heat, and the heat produced by firewood is used to cook, as it can be seen in picture A. We have picture B, where we have a gas as a source of fuel. Gas produces heat there, and we use that when we are cooking. We have picture C, where there is a pupil there. That pupil is reading. So we can't read in a dark room. We only read in a well-lit room, a room with enough light. So that pupil is reading because there is light from the lamp, and the lamp is using paraffin. So paraffin will be used to produce light, which help us in reading. If you look at picture D, we can see a family of 4. They are seated down there. They are warming themselves. So the fuel there, which is firewood, is used to produce heat, which warms the house during cold seasons. Then picture E, we have a family there watching television, and if you look at the picture there, there is light in that room. So electricity is producing light where we have the bulbs there. The house is very clear because there is a light there, and again they can watch the TVs there. So electricity will produce light as well as heat, which is used there. Then picture F, we have is cooking. So the person there is cooking, and if you look at him, he is using jiko, 2 jikos. One is used there and another one is also there. So the fuel which is used there is charcoal, and the charcoal is used to provide heat, which is used in cooking. Various fuels and the uses, which we've simplified there. So one, we have firewood. Firewood help us in cooking and also heat or warm the houses and provides light in our house. So we have 3 uses of firewood: cooking, warming the house, and providing light. Number 2, we have charcoal. Charcoal is used for cooking, provide heat or warmth in the house. So charcoal we use there to cook and provide heat or warmth in the house. Then we have paraffin, number 3, which is used for cooking and provide a provision of light in our houses. Number 4, we have electricity, which is used for cooking, heating heating or warming the houses, and providing light. Then we have number 5 being a gas. A gas also is used for cooking and providing light in our houses. We have